Welcome to this tutorial on how to get lineups in Prizepicks, a daily fantasy sports platform that allows users to create lineups and compete for cash prizes. The first step is to understand the basics of Prizepicks, which involves selecting a set of players and predicting their performances in various statistical categories. To get started, navigate to the Prizepicks website or mobile app and log into your account. From there, click on the Create Lineup button and select the sport and contest you want to participate in. Prizepicks offers a range of sports and contests, including football, basketball, baseball, and more. Once you have selected your sport and contest, you will be presented with a list of available players and their corresponding statistical categories. For example, in football, you may be asked to predict the number of passing yards, rushing yards, or touchdowns a player will score. To create a lineup, simply select the players you think will perform well in their respective statistical categories. You can choose from a range of players, including top stars and sleeper picks. Be sure to consider factors such as team matchups, player injuries, and recent performance when making your selections. As you select your players, pay attention to the salary cap, which is the maximum amount of money you can spend on your lineup. Each player has a corresponding salary, and you must stay within the salary cap to create a valid lineup. Once you have selected your players, review your lineup to ensure you are comfortable with your picks. You can also use the Prizepicks Lineup Builder tool to help you create a lineup that meets the salary cap and is optimized for performance. Finally, submit your lineup and wait for the contest to start. You can track your lineup's performance in real time and compete against other users for cash prizes. Remember to stay up to date with the latest news and trends to make informed decisions and increase your chances of winning. By following these steps and using the tools and resources available on Prizepicks, you can create a winning lineup and compete for cash prizes. Remember to always manage your bankroll responsibly and have fun competing against other users. With practice and experience, you can become a skilled Prizepicks player and increase your chances of success.